What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a shifter installed today, man. It's the MGW and we're gonna go ahead and put it on right now. And as you guys can see, I'm wearing, you guys can probably tell, I just freaking got out of work, so I didn't want to shower. I didn't want to waste no time because the sun's going down already and I don't know how dark it's gonna be in the car, but we're gonna install the MGW today, so let's get it. So here we are. The packaging is pretty basic, if I'm surprised. This looks like the installation that goes around the transmission. This, you guys can tell, is the shifter base. This is the handle. You know I went race because race car. Inflow and silicone and gasket maker, and this is the handle right here. So, pretty self-explanatory. Very simple boxing. Let's go disassemble the old one and put the new one in. That's a good thing about these cars, is that it's all inside the cab and it's not, you don't have to climb underneath the transmission and stuff like that. So let's get it. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're in the car and you can see how I got this thing rigged up, and it's freaking embarrassing. It's because the bolt kept on backing out. This one's freaking missing one, and check out when it goes into gear. It's first. Look at that. Second, third, fourth. That's not neutral. That's neutral. So, get these little bolts out. These should be 8mm. Maybe they're 10s. They don't really look like 10s though. And we'll start pulling this thing out. As you guys can see, I'm gutted now. I didn't make a video about it because I don't know. But the MGW, this thing looks freaking sick. So, here we go, boys. Alright, here we go, boys. They are in fact at 8. I'm using 1/4 inch on this. It shouldn't be that tight, which they kinda are. Man, I don't know why these freaking bolts are such a pain in the ass. Maybe it's because they're rusty. You guys can see that bolt right there is backing out, and we tried to put a freaking what's it called? A hose clamp on there, and it did not hold. Alright you guys, so as you guys can see, this is the shifter, and oh no, looks like there's a leak right here somewhere. So we're gonna see what that is right now. But as you can see, it wasn't really a bad shifter, man. It was just that handle. But I've always heard MGW is pretty good, so check it out. But damn, this motherfucker's a bitch. Put the clutch in. First, second, third, fourth. That foot don't want to go in. Oh, there it is. Alright guys, as y'all can see, shifter is out and the mating surface doesn't look too bad. That rubber does kind of concern me though right there, because it looks like it's a little wet. If you guys know what it is, please let me know. That nipple looks broken. That nipple looks broken to me. Doesn't look like that should be there. Looks like it's a stopper of some sort. Yeah, there's nothing plugged into it, so I don't know, man. That's crazy. You can see the whole tunnel on this thing. I wonder why it gets so hot in this thing. Alright, man. We're gonna clean the surface up and then we're gonna mount the MGW. Well, never mind. I was gonna use this gasket. Look at the bolts lined up. And look at these. Wow. Seriously? Line these up. See, I ain't bullshitting. Lined up. I'm not really risking one of the corners to tear or anything like that, so I guess I just gotta do the RTV now. Here we go. Just hand tightening these bolts now. Make sure these are hand tightened before you start cranking on that, because the last thing you want to do is strip those aluminum threads in this transmission. You'll be screwed. So I'm gonna get the extension and just tighten it by hand. Alright, here we go, fam. It's all bolted up. You guys can see the neutral. It goes back automatically. The other one will kind of stay to the side, but I haven't tried to put it in gear yet. I'm gonna test it out real quick. I already like the way it's sitting back like this. It looks freaking awesome. I wish they made like a where you could just leave the boot off. It looks freaking sick. Oh man. Oh, I'm not ready. This thing looks sick. Alright guys, y'all ready? Oh. Oh my god. I hope you guys saw that. Third, fourth, fifth. Oh, reverse. Okay. That's always been one thing with me. The reverse never freaking worked in this car. I always had to go act like I was going into fifth and then go in reverse. Reverse. Oh my god, if that fixed that problem, that's gonna be amazing. Bump stops are in also. Ready? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Oh my god, that looks sick, bro. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright guys, so we're about to head out right now. I'm not sure if I mentioned it or not, but one of my buddies in a V6 Camaro challenged me to a race, and he thinks he could beat me. So we're probably gonna go meet him right now. I'm glad I got the new shifter because now I feel like I could just like bang on him and it'll go in. Before I was kind of baby shifting it because I didn't know if the handle was gonna break or not. So I think we're good to go. But one more thing I just want to talk to you guys about. I think it's pretty bad that I'm even like nervous about this race, because what if I lose? You know, it's a 16 and they make like 335 to the flywheel. And it's automatic though, so it's gonna lose some power, but you know, that's a lot more horsepower than my 2-valve. You know, the 2-valve put down 280, as you guys can tell from the last video. But you know, it's kind of embarrassing to have a full bolt-on Mustang, you know, and the 2-valve only made 280 horsepower, and you know, it's kind of annoying. And you know, I dumped a lot of money into it, and you know, it's just not very rewarding like a new Coyote is or something like that. You dump a lot of money into it and it'll actually go fast. So you know, that stuff just kind of gets annoying to me. You know, it's a little 281. You can't really be mad about it. You know, I knew what I was getting myself into, but I would think it would at least hit 300 wheel. You know, but that's why we got this girl right here. Not really too worried about it, man. So you know what? Without further ado, let's just get the GoPro. Head to Mexico right now, and then I guess you guys will see the turnout. If I lose bad to a V6 Camaro, man, I might just change my name to like 50 Chris and post my car up tonight. Alright, here we go, boys. Nerves are setting in. We're gonna see what's up right now. Let's go, boys! We ain't losing today! We ain't losing to no V6s out here. Hell no! Woo! Let's go! Motherfucker! Yo, so what's going on, fam? As you guys can tell, it was a pretty good turnout. We're not selling the car today. Yeah, man, so I am pretty happy with the shifter. First of all, I would like to say, and my hood is freaking rusting out over here. This is my stock hood. I just have it in my backyard. But yeah, man, I'm super happy with the shifter, man. It makes the whole driving experience a lot better, and that's what like freaked me out about the shifter is because it's a top loaded shifter, meaning that you don't have to go
through under the tunnel and fuck with the transmission from the underneath and everything like that. So it just bolts right up to the top of the transmission. So that's what's crazy. As far as the reverse the reverse lockout type of situation that we were having, it doesn't really do that that often anymore. I wouldn't say it completely stopped doing it, because it hasn't, but you know, as far as like a review over the shifter, I love the shifter. I'm gonna be making a video of doing like pulls with it and stuff like that. It's really notchy though. It's really notchy. It's not like a smooth shifter if you guys are looking for that. This is like a race application shifter, but it just gives it like, I don't know how to explain it, like it just feels like really freaking good. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please drop a like on the video. It means so much to me. Please subscribe if this is your first video seeing of me and the car. I don't want to get all, you know, soft and stuff on you guys, but I just wanted to thank you all so much. 3,000 subscribers. It's crazy, man. I remember my old videos, I was saying like 150. Thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers, and now we're at 3,000. And I could like see these dogs don't stop barking. They're barking at me, but like I can see my goals happening like one video after another. You know, I see the views coming, I see the subscribers coming, and like we just hit 3,000 a couple days ago and we're about to hit 3,100 already. Like, thank you guys so much, and these dogs would stop freaking barking, that'd be great. Thank you. Yeah guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Drop a like I said. New video coming next Tuesday. Thank y'all so much. We'll see you guys later. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. We're out, boys. Peace.